Hey YouTube, and waiting. Okay, so I'm in the middle of making another video about installing Ubuntu alongside Windows, and I ran into a little hiccup. So while I'm checking to see if my hard drive is bad, and if it is, I'll continue the video on another hard drive. I'm gonna make a quick video about Premiere Pro. I'm going to show you how to cut videos in Premiere Pro. So let's get into it. So I have my sample project. As you can see, it's my channel intro. Alright, so why you might want to cut a video. Say like you want to have a transition in between two spots, or you want to speed up a segment of a video. If it's just one single giant clip, you can't do that. So you need to cut the clip into smaller parts. Alright? So with the timeline selected, press C on your keyboard to bring up the cut tool, or you can just select razor tool, cut tool, same thing, you know what I'm talking about. Alright, obviously the selection tool is what will be selected first, so click on the razor tool, and then to make this easier, like say I want to do it right before text comes up. So like right there, that's where the text comes up. Alright, you can add a marker, and then when you have your razor tool selected, if you go into in the vicinity of this little marker, it'll like snap to it. See, it has this little line thing that you can see. Alright, so click that, and now it's two separate clips. You can do the same for the audio too. So now if you want to fade out that audio or make it louder, whatever you want to do, let's add a transition. Alright, let's go with a dip to black. Alright. See? You wouldn't have been able to do that if it was one giant clip, but now that you cut it, you're able to treat one video as two clips. So, there you go. If you found this video useful, like. If you learned something, like. If you didn't, dislike. Comment and tell me what you think. Bye.